to the car wash because the birds just fucked me up, bro. These seagulls be disrespectful, bro. I need a BB gun. I'm gonna start shooting these seagulls in the ass. You know, I'm gonna start popping them in their ass. Matter of fact, I should have turned left. I could have jumped on the highway. Oh well, I can go down here and bend a U-turn. But I'm like, God damn. Seagulls just damn me dirty. They disrespectful as hell. But man, it's all good though. Know what comes with being a car guy. Seagulls get. Yeah, I gotta straighten out my back seat. I didn't hook one of the hooks up. If you hear like that little squeaking noise, that's my back seat. One of the hooks on my left side, I didn't get it hooked up before I bolted it down. So I'm gonna do it today. Cause they squeaking made me think my damn fenders and shit was falling off earlier. Well, when I went out to Indiana yesterday, it made me think my fenders was falling off. But then I was like, oh yeah, this just y'all won't speed up. People over here using the highway for what it is. They want to drive slow. No, Escalade, I don't give a fuck. You should have sped up too. And fuck you, Altima. I cut Altimas off. Altimas and Teslas, I cut y'all off. Cause fuck y'all. But yeah, so seagulls just leave me dirty. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna clean up the inside of my car again. That's the constant battle, keeping the inside of your car clean. Because me, y'all know me. I also get, I live in a junkyard. So when I go to the junkyard, I'm always bringing back parts, and then I throw them in my car, and then I try to organize them. But then, like, I got a whole bunch of lug nuts in my center console. I grabbed some lug nuts from my girl car because she, somebody did this like they always do. They buy a car, they finance it, they put rims on the bank's car, and then they get repoed. Hey, is that the dude with the CPD Tahoe? Yep, this is the guy with the CPD Tahoe. I remember that one. That one had been banged up. It had been like 5 accidents. I already know he ain't gonna turn, cuz. Oh, he gonna turn. Nope, he ain't turning. Nope, he's just sitting there when it's clear to turn. Oh well, that's his business, not mine. Otherwise, something told me just go around. So, yeah, people like to put rims on a bank's car, and then they got repo and stuff like that. So, you need a special lug nut for it. So, when we went to the junkyard the other day, just everybody getting some lug nuts for her car. Just got to get that special tool first, just to see if the lug nuts can fit. I'm gonna get them out of my car and probably take them in and put them in my goodie box, or either just put them in a plastic bag, put them in my trunk, and go from there. See, that's what I like about having a monthly pass. Hey, fuck all that. But yeah, anyways, I'll catch y'all in the next video. As always, stay positive, stay blessed, stay away from games and crash outs, like, comment, subscribe.